morning, everybody. This is Michael DeGioia with the Affinity Legends of Wall Street Trading Room. We've already had a couple of stocks that we've talked about, but I'll go through them here for you all. First one is Oracle having a big gap up. However, it's gapped up into its prior resistance. So if you take this level, you draw it across here, it literally got there this AM. Okay, so it literally got to that level this AM, and then it's done nothing but fade ever since. So probably Oracle gap fade on the open. Let's look at a couple of other stocks. LNKD, I didn't look at that one yet. This is a big gap down out of a base, so LNKD will probably be down all day. It may fade up a little bit at first. This is a pretty significant gap down out of a pretty significant base. So usually what 111, it would go down to about 100 on the daily. This is a terrible chart. Problem with LinkedIn is just the way that it trades, right? So it might be hard for you to play it. FOSL, Fossil, we are already gapping down to $45. $45 puts it in right around there. Probably going to continue to go down, but it already showed its hand yesterday. So those are two more ones that we didn't really go into too much. You know, TEP, the one that I talked about, it just has a really bad daily chart, ETU. And TEP, BTU, Peabody is all gapped down to $2.08. I mean, that's a horrible gap. I just don't know what you can do with it. Okay? So we got oil numbers coming out at 10:30. So let's focus on the best ones. I think TERP had a really good chart, TERP, which is already starting to roll over. It made a nice recovery and then probably is going to go back down to $8 today, potentially. It's kind of stuck underneath its moving averages. It has shock value because the prior day was green. It has shock value because the prior day was green. It gapped down to as low as 8, rallied up to 940. Maybe a good idea to preemptively short this one because it had a little bit of shock. I do like the KO short. Coke has been up and away. You know, it's a stock that had gotten beaten up, and today it's teetering right on the brink. The problem is it hasn't really broke support. Okay, so if you play it and it don't break down, you got to get out. Because if you notice, it's had a tendency to open up near support and then go higher. So just be careful on Coke. And remember, Coke is defensive. The market's kind of teetering at the sell setup area with FOMC coming out at 2. So you don't know on Coke unless it actually breaks. If you do preemptively short it, you need to just get out if it doesn't break. The other one that we had was Nuance. So really we got 1, 2, 3, 4 plays. Guys, TERP might start to roll over. There is a 5-minute trigger on TERP. I'm going to take a little bit of TERP short. Okay, stop is going to be above the high of the day. The high of the day is 10.05. So I took 100 shares. Stop market 10.05. I will add to it if it starts to go my direction. I'm going to go back and look at Oracle again. High, failure to make a new high. I may take 100 shares of Oracle short, ORCL. Got 100 shares of ORCL. My stop on ORCL is going to be above $41. So it's going to be $41.05. Okay, guys. Oracle starting to roll down. It broke the 50 mark. The TERP is kind of hanging in there. I may just take my profit on Oracle. If it doesn't break that little range, this is a sell setup, guys. This is green bar, green bar, green bar, green bar, red bar. I'm going to add to the Oracle now. It's already down like $18 now. Like now I'm like possibly against the ad. Now that there's the velocity picking up on the Oracle short. Okay, guys, I'm going to cover a little bit here on Oracle only because I want to be able to trade it effectively, and I just wanted to book a little bit of profit. I do believe Oracle is going to be a good add. If it gets underneath that level, clean move up could lead to a clean move down. You have to get out of the way of the bull first, and then all right, guys. So I'm going to cover some more on Oracle. Okay, I covered a little bit more on Oracle. Covering a little bit more. Okay. Oops, I covered too much. I want to stay short a little bit, but all right, guys. I made $63 mainly on Oracle. $49 on Oracle. I'm going to go back to looking at TERP now.